students, today in this video we are going to learn a new chapter, that is chapter 9, the food we eat. So first of all, let me tell about the learning outcomes. That means what we are going to learn in this chapter, and after reading the chapter what you are going to understand. First of all, we will talk about different kind of foods and their sources from where they are coming to our home, and also different kind of food materials which we are getting from plants and animals. Then we will talk about different groups of food, then their uses and traits, and also at last we will talk about the voices, opinion on MDM, that means midday meal, also about the community eating, and also child rights. So let's begin. As you know, students, that we need food to grow and remain healthy, and we get food from plants and animals. So first of all, we will talk about plants. So we get cereal, pulses, fruits, vegetables, spices, beverage from plants, and also from the seeds we get oil, right? So you can see the images over here. So beverages means all kind of drinks but except water. So let's see what are cereals. Okay, so generally cereals means the grains, okay, such as wheat, rice, barley, oats, maize, millets. Okay, millets such as jowar, bajra. So these are called your cereals. Okay, and wheat is also ground into flour, that is also called wheat flour. Okay, so that is used for making chapatis, and it is also called as atta, right? In everyday life we use it. So jowar, bajra and ragi, these are called millets, and as you know they are also called dry crops because they need little water to grow. But in case of rice, they need more water. So in case of Assam, we produce more of rice. Okay, rice production is more. Why? Because of plenty of water. That means in our climatic condition, rice production can be done. So it is eaten in different form, okay, in different parts of our country, and oats are also used for breakfast cereals. I'm sure most of you also eat oats, right? That is healthy for our body. Now let's talk about pulses, or it is also called lentils. Okay, so you can see already I have shown the images, and also in page number 60 you can see different type of pulses are given. So dal such as moong, masoor, urad, kidney beans, okay, that is also called rajma. So they are called your pulses. Okay, and they are full of protein. Okay, we find more protein from pulses, and they are cooked and eaten with rice or chapatis. That means we use or we eat pulses with some other food items, mostly the carbohydrates. So with cereals we generally use pulses. So from cereals we get more carbohydrate, and from pulses we get more of protein. Regarding fruits and vegetables, I think you know about it, students. We get it from plants, and these are the basic need of our everyday life, right? We make curries out of vegetable, we eat fruits, but different type of fruits are there. Okay, some are called fleshy fruits, like your banana, mangoes, papaya. These are called fleshy fruits. Then also some fruits are called citrus fruit. That means we get citrus juice from that, like oranges, lemon. Okay, then also about I know you I think you know about dry fruits, right? Like almond, walnuts, raisins, cashew nuts. So these are very much important and healthy for our body, and we also eat parts of plants like roots, stem, leaves, right? You know about it already. In the previous chapter I told you about food storage roots, then I told you about water storage roots. So the products we get from these plants, so this one we eat as vegetable. Also we eat flower of some creepers also. So some of the roots that we eat, they are called like carrot, radish, beetroot. So these are comes under roots. And some of the stem we eat like onion, ginger, potatoes. So these are stem. Okay, and in case of leafy vegetable, if I say, so spinach is a leafy vegetable. Okay, so there are so many examples you can also find out, and you can also ask your elders. Now, do you know about spices? So spices are the parts of certain plants that have a strong taste
and smell. And when we add these spices to our cooked food, so they improves its taste and also add flavor to our food. And they are mostly taken from fruits, leaves, seeds or bark of the tree. Examples are peppercorn, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, turmeric, bay leaves, curry leaves, mustard seeds, cumin, fenugreek, coriander seeds, and many more. So these are some of the spices they generally we use it in our food. So students, you can also find out where if you go to your kitchen along with your mother, and then you can ask about spices whatever your mom is using in your food. So in this way you can come to know about so many other spices as well. Next you see oil sheets. So cooking oil is one of the most important thing that we use in cooking. Without oil we cannot make a tasty dish, okay, except boiling. So this oil is extracted from oil sheets, okay, and oil sheets we are getting from plants. So the mostly common used oil sheets are like mustard seed, okay, so from mustard seed we get mustard oil. Then groundnut, you can see in the book itself, page number 61. Then sesame. So students, the spelling you just correct it should be CSESAME, okay, so you just correct it in your book. Then also sunflower, then coconut, okay. So cotton sheets and palm fruit are also used, means these fruits are also used for cooking oil. And you can also find out like which oil is your family using for cooking, okay. Mostly if you go to South India, so there they are generally using coconut oil, okay. In our part we use mostly mustard oil or refinery oil. So you can also ask your mother that what kind of oil you are using for cooking. About beverages, I already told you that these are the drinks except water. So you can say example about tea, coffee. So these are refreshing drinks and they are called beverages. And as you know that tea are obtained from the tea leaves from tea plant, okay, and the leaves are how they are made. They used to plucked out, then dried, and then processed, and then packed, okay. Similarly, coffee is also obtained from the beans of the coffee plant, okay. So these are some example of beverages and they are also called refreshing drinks. So these are some items we get from plants. Now we will talk about animals, okay. So as you know that we also get food from animals like cow, buffaloes, goats. They give us milk, and from milk several dairy products can be made, such as curd, paneer, cheese, butter, ghee, right. And also hens gives us eggs, and we get meat from animals like goat, sheep, and also fish, okay, chicken, and we get honey from honeybees. So these are some items that we get from plants. So in my next video we will talk further about this chapter. I hope you understood up to this much. So I will see you soon in my next video. Thank you.